Split testing your Facebook ad is a surefire way to make sure that you're getting the best from it. Now, put simply, split testing means having more than one ad, monitoring which one converts the best, and then rolling out that ad to the majority of your ad viewers. And sometimes this is called A/B testing. And it works a bit like this. First of all, you have your Facebook ad set, and then you have two ads. For the sake of argument, let's call them Ad A and Ad B. Now, an ad set defines a particular target audience. And it's also used to define your budget, your schedule, and the bid type. So let's say you're going to have the two ads and you run Ad A for X number of days or impressions. You then note the number of conversions. You then run Ad B for the same number of days or impressions, and again you note the number of conversions. Now let's say, for the sake of argument, that when you go through all the stats you find that Ad B outperforms Ad A. What you simply do is drop Ad A and roll out Ad B to everybody that you want to target with the ad. And you then repeat the process using the wealth of data that Facebook provides in its ad reporting to further refine your split tests over time. Now, Facebook provides a breakdown of your ad performance based on location, age, gender, ad placement, and more. And you can use this data to further refine the testing process. So you can create a new ad set and then target an audience based on a particular interest on Facebook, for example. And you can also split test where the ad appears on Facebook, whether it appears in the sidebar or in the newsfeed, etc., how it performs on mobiles as opposed to people watching on PCs, etc. There's all sorts of different stats that you can use to your advantage here. And you simply rinse and repeat, and you do this for all of your ads. Now, every time you create a new ad, split test it against the old ad to see if it performs better. So your old ad is the control that you're going to test against. And of course, if the new ad performs better, well, drop your old ad and go with the new one. And if it doesn't, well, simply stick with the old ad for the time being. And what you'll find is, over time, some demographics will respond better to one ad more than to others. So you can then refine your ad campaigns, serving one particular ad to a specific target audience and another ad to another target audience. And because you can drill down and get very specific with who sees each particular ad, this is one area where Facebook ads really score over, say, Google AdWords. So you can split test and all the different demographics, and you can make sure that every ad is performing optimally.